Let's make banana pudding. Add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese to a large bowl and give it a good mix. Next, add a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give it a good mix until all combined. Then add a 5-ounce box of instant vanilla pudding and mix. It should be really thick at this point. Now add 3 cups of milk, about 1 cup at a time, stirring it in with a spoon or spatula. Next, fold in half of the 8 ounces of whipped cream or whipped topping. Slice up 3 to 4 bananas into really small pieces. Add vanilla wafers to the bottom of a large bowl or trifle container. Then add a layer of banana slices on top of that. Pour a layer of pudding on top. Now lay down another layer of vanilla wafers, followed by another layer of banana slices. Pour more filling on top and spread it out flat. Then add a layer of whipped topping or whipped cream. Decorate the top with more vanilla wafers and or banana slices. Cover and chill until you are ready to serve it. You can also assemble these in small individual bowls or ramekins if you like. Time to serve up that homemade banana pudding. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.